Well, I'm the Archangel Daniel, and now we're going to talk about stars and how they work in a bit more detail. A star consists of a fuel dimension, which, if you can imagine, is bigger than this universe. And in the center of it is a wormhole entry point and a gravity field that draws all the fuel and compresses it and pulls it into the wormhole entry point. The wormhole exit point is in the core of the star, and from there the fuel exudes through holes, and the star's shell then reacts to a catalyst and combusts in the upper atmosphere. The star also has multiple gravity fields. So there's one that holds the atmosphere of the star. The gravity element for this is pointing downwards, and this produces an atmosphere. Then there's other gravity fields which are tethered through gravity element, and these fields follow an elliptical path, all of them, from the star to all planets and 4 comets in this system. All space bodies are encompassed within the star's gravity field. If a star has a supernova and becomes a black hole, a reverse process happens where the wormhole element is inverted, and it produces a wormhole exit point where the wormhole entry point was, and a wormhole entry point where the wormhole exit point was. This produces an effect where the gravity field of the star pulls everything into the wormhole entry point. All the items within that system that are pulled into the wormhole entry point wind up in the former star's fuel dimension. A pivot star is a star in the center of a galaxy. It has multiple gravity fields that encompass the entire galaxy. The pivot star controls motion of the galaxy in the universe from its creation point to its destination. The pivot star's gravity field, like I said, encompasses the entire galaxy. If a pivot star has a supernova and becomes a black hole, it pulls everything within that galaxy through the wormhole entry point into its fuel dimension. This galaxy, the Milky Way galaxy, is no longer in motion. It is stationary. However, other galaxies can be seen moving in the universe. They've yet to reach their destination. So all galaxies are created at one point in the universe and move to the center of the universe. Is there any evidence that our Milky Way has stopped moving? There is. The rings of Saturn and Uranus and other planets in this solar system and in this galaxy. Rings of planets are not deployed until after the galaxy has stopped moving. So that's why the rings are deployed now, because our galaxy is no longer moving. The rings, though, still need maintenance, and in order to accomplish this, there are spaceships from heaven called shepherds that keep the rings where they're supposed to be, and whenever material drifts away, it is simply pushed back by the shepherds through use of gravity and other devices. I am the Archangel Daniel, and I'm from heaven.